Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. People who do graphic design earn really well from online. The most common and essential tool for graphic design is Photoshop. So all the graphic designers who earn from online, they rely on Photoshop skills. In Photoshop, graphic designer do anything like magic. And today there are many features of Photoshop which you should know, and if you don't want to learn those skills in Photoshop, there are some tools online available what you can use to do a specific thing, and with that you can earn from online. So we are gonna see a topic today, what we can apply to earn from online without knowing the skills of Photoshop. So let's see. Okay, so here we are in Fiverr and we are looking for a topic, colorize black and white photo. So with this topic there are some sellers who are providing a service related to that topic. They are coloring black and white image. The seller already achieved over 100 reviews and providing service here, just a single image, making it colorize or black and white. Okay, if you check out this proofs of his work, you can see this work is really well and it's simple. You can do it also, and if you read out this gig information, you will know what kind of service he's providing to his clients. And if you want to do the same thing, you can just copy and paste in your gig info, and here you can also request the buyer to give you information related to the gig. You can see this person asking his clients that what kind of service he's going to provide and what information they should give to the seller before they place any order. Okay, so you can read out this FAQ and you will understand what type of service and how this seller is providing service to his clients. Now most of the reviews you can see like 5 stars. Okay, all providing good reviews. Now here I am going to show you how you can do the same task without using the Photoshop. So if you don't have any Photoshop skills but you want to do the same thing, here you can apply this method. Okay, first of all, here I am downloading this black and white photos and we're gonna turn it into colorize photo. So for this, here we are using this MyHeritage site. I'll share the link in the video description. So after you come here, you need to go over colorize photos, from photos to colorize photos, and here the option upload photo. So just upload that photo, this black and white photo, and wait. Now as our photo is uploaded, it will colorizing the photo automatically. You don't need to do anything, and you can see, you can compare the photo, just slide it from right to left and you can see it's now a colorized photo, and this is a high quality photo. You can zoom in and see. Okay, this is really an amazing tool you can use to give service in Fiverr and earn. Okay, now let's try with another photo here. So just click here another photo and you can see we will see another photo, and we are doing it for free, absolutely free. All you need, just you can create a simply free account here and you can see it's working fine. Now here we will try with without any human. So this is a objective photo for a flower. Now here's the amazing AI technology will analyze that what kind of flower it is and the sky, and you can see it may give here the red or blue color, but as it analyzed that this photo, this flower is sunflower and it contain yellow, so it automatically give yellow color to this flower. So this is really great tool, you can try. Okay, now here we are also going to try with this dog image. Let's try it and turn it into colorize this black and white dog photo to color, and here we can see it just giving color to this photo. And okay, so we got the sand color and the dark color as well. Okay, now here I upload another photo which contains rocks, sky, bridge, river, and this tool will analyze and give separately all the elements its own colors. No one able to tell you that it's a fake photo and colorized by AI. So this is really great. If it provide you a low photo, so low resolution photo, so you can enhance it by using another feature. Here you can say that enhance photo, and you can enhance the pixel size and the resolution of any photo with this feature. Okay, you can see it's working, and here we got it. Okay, absolutely stunning. Now here we will see how you can restore a damaged photo without using the Photoshop. So here we are going to use this tool hyper.ai. I'll again give the link in video description, so you can just get it from here. And after you come here to this website, you scroll down and here you will see this option, AI picture restorer. Now just click on here and you'll get the option here for upload your damaged photo. So for this here we are going to use damaged photo we got here and we upload here. Now we just need to click here on restore. Let's see, this is the damaged photo, and we can select turn on this if this photo has any scratch, and then click here restore, and it will take a few moment, and after that it will show you the final result of this photo. And if we click here, our photo will be downloaded, and here you can see the photo that we just restore in a minute without using any type of Photoshop. So this is a really great tool you should work on, and you should start from now. Now here's a couple of more features. As we just did our previous website, that how we can colorize the photo, here we got again the same options for colorizing damage or black and white photo. Now we just colorize it, and you can see the difference between the first photo and the second photo here. So that's all I just want to share with you. Hope it will help you a lot, and you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. Okay, see you in the next video. And okay, another thing here, you can also animate any character with this website. What I just forget to mention here at first, you can animate any type of human faced photo with this tool. So hope you're gonna enjoy and make more fun out of it. Okay, have a good day. See you in the next video.